Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are making a Toca Boca house with my sister.
Hi!
So we'll be making a starter kit house right now. So let's build. Okay. So first we have to set up where is everything gonna go. So this blue one will be the bathroom. The next one will of course be the mom and dad bedroom.
Kitchen will be... Here, let me make an area so you guys will know. So this is the wall. This side will be the kitchen, and this side will be the living room.
If we could fit one. And then this will be the kids' room. So let's start. I'm gonna be honest, I might want to use some modern mansion stuff as well, but if not, I'm just gonna be building everything just starter. So let's do this. Okay, so first I'm gonna be making this. My sister is gonna help. Okay, so we're gonna add this. Oh right, I forgot. So we are gonna add some fossils right here. This is a very cute idea if you are just a starter. So, and then we're gonna add there.
Oops.
Well, it's not just for starter people. It could be for anybody actually.
Yeah.
So, and then we are gonna add a toilet right there.
This is just the people who don't have like the other houses. Just this house. Just
like this is just ideas for everybody. Okay, so I need to fix the sinks. Like the sink is not getting good. Okay, now we're gonna add a mirror so everyone can look at themselves, of course. Okay, and now we need to add this too. Okay, now we need to add the shower. So we're gonna go here. Okay, now we need.
Don't forget about the soap.
Oh yeah, we need soap. So we are gonna grab a little box, if I can find it. This box. Okay. And then we're gonna go back. I need some type of... Yeah. Oopsie. I messed up. Oh, okay. I messed up, but I'm just gonna do it in here because I'm kind of lazy. Okay, there we go. And now we need some toothbrushes. So we need this.
And some hairbrushes.
And this too. And we're gonna add a toothbrush in there. Also in there. This too. And then we're just gonna add some toothpaste. Just like that. And then if you guys have like the Modern Mansion or something, or you guys can just go ahead to the salon, cause I don't know, but you guys can add like some perfume in like that, if that works for you guys,
or you can get them from the shop.
Yeah, just like what I said. It's fine. So we're gonna add oh, where did that trash go? It's gone. So we're gonna add a trash like right here, cause that is very cute. And then we can also add a flower or a plant at the window. Like plants are so cute these days, and it's so aesthetic.
That's the prettiest.
This one is my favorite plant for all. So now we are gonna add a carpet for finishing touch. Okay, I guess we're gonna use throw that away. We're gonna use this one because it's a very beautiful white carpet. So now this one will be the parents' bedroom and room and stuff. So let's go down and find the starter kit bed. And then my sister found a great idea that she's gonna use these chairs. And she does this and this, which I never used, so I'm kind of new to this-ish. And then I'm gonna get a closet, and I'm gonna get this, or like put it over here, and then we are gonna add a carpet again. because carpets are very cute sometimes.
A drawer.
We're gonna add a drawer over here. And then, so this part, what my sister is doing right now is like some type of vanity-ish or some type of table. So I think it's very cute idea that we made it. So let's see what else she's gonna add.
A candle.
Okay, and don't forget about the chairs because the chair is just very special. Of course. Okay. So while she's doing that, I'm thinking about adding some stuff. Okay, after she's done with that, I'm gonna add a shelf because shelves are cute. I'm gonna add this one because it's not too long and too big. And then we're gonna go to the living room and go scroll down and go to the TV, and then we can just add like whatever you guys want, but I'm gonna add a very cute plant animal tree-ish, I don't know. But yeah, this is just a house starter kit, house or whatever, and like some people don't even know where to put their houses. So yeah, we are just trying to help people as starter kits, people to make their own house. Okay, so right now my sister is gonna add some plants, and now it's time for the kitchen
and living room. Yeah.
Yep. Okay, so while we were making this video, like I accidentally threw away the stove in the sink on accident. So now we're remaking the kitchen. So yeah. Okay, she's gonna add a lot of cereals
Cause you might run out.
and then she's gonna put it on top of the shelf. Since the starter kit did not have any cabinets, we love to use like baskets and like the shelves as cabinet because they don't even like have it for the starter, as like I keep saying. Some houses do have and the starter kit doesn't have, which is okay, but sometimes people can get jealous that some people have this and some people don't even have that. But yeah. Okay, so right now my sister is putting some food in the fridge. She's taking forever because it's the fridge, you know. Like you have to pick everything from the food section, and yeah, you guys can also put pots and pans too, of course. But comment down below if you guys do not like to use food from the fridge. You just like you usually go like use the food just for like decorations, cause like
I do that.
yeah, I do that too because I don't want to restock the fridge. I just don't like to do that. Okay, so now we are making a shelf on top of the stove, and my sister made some seasoning stuff, and now we're gonna add it.
Why was that floating? Like,
I don't know. I don't think we might have enough room for the living room, so we're gonna try our best.
a tiny candy.
Okay. This is taking forever, but it's supposed to be taking forever, to be honest. But if you guys don't know, I'm not voiceovering. I'm talking in a mic. So, oh my goodness, this is taking so long. Like, no, don't put it there. No, right there. No. Oh my goodness. Okay, that's kind of sad-ish. Why don't you put it on like right there? Okay.
Yeah, but the kids can eat it.
So what is that supposed to mean? I don't know if you guys can hear my sister or not, but whatever. Okay, move.
Now we need bread.
Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm kind of disappointed in that. Okay, some type of breads. Okay, that's enough. That's enough. We need potatoes, of course.
Oh, of course. Potato.
Okay, we're gonna add the potatoes just like right here. Okay, I guess not. We're gonna add the potatoes in here then. You guys can add anything, whatever, but I think I'm gonna add a lot of potatoes. Like, who doesn't love potatoes? I only love potatoes for fries. That's it, in my opinion. Okay, now we can put the pots and pans over there. Time for the table. Okay, so we're gonna go to table, and I like to use this one because this one's like the smallest. I mean, not the smallest, but like I think it looks the aesthetic than what I used to use. Because the one I used to use was the white one, and it was a total disaster. So yeah. Oh, and then for this part, if you have like some design, you can also put a flower in the middle or like a candle. I like to add like candles or flowers.
And then we can just put the TV. Oh, not that one.
Yeah.
This one.
And I like to put the TV right there too, which is also cute as designs.
Wait,
there's a
there's a
potato.
potato.
Okay. Okay. And then now time for the kids room. So
I want to make it.
no, I do. I'm making it. Okay. So first we're gonna add this. I guess. Yeah, sure.
Oh, didn't have that in mind, but okay.
So what did you have in mind?
I had in mind like this for the older sister, and then we put.
But I thought there was like, I thought they were both like kids, you know, like
I know.
babies and stuff. Okay, this is my Toca, but you're just helping me. Okay, you're just helping me help because I'm not a good builder, you know. Okay. This is taking forever. Okay, let's see. What else? A box. Nice. Scoot over. You're hurting me. Okay. So this part you can add anything you want, I guess. This, that. Just gonna put the same stuff in, you know. Oh, and then. Oh yeah, guys, if this, I don't know if this is free or not, but you guys can also add this flower.
Oh yeah, that's free.
Oh yeah, and then we can do what we did earlier, but just with this, and just put this right there. This is very cute. If you're gonna have to tell, yeah. And then I'm gonna add like some type of mirror. Oh no, there we go. Now let's add some, I don't know, balloon from the new update. Oh, this is for the people that did update. So let's see what else that I can do. Okay, we can add this candle. I'm not really sure what else to add, but this is a very cute idea though. Okay, no, I don't like that. Okay, we can add some paintings. Whoa, what is going on?
I don't know.
Like, something's going on. Okay, this is not too bad. Okay, let's add this one. Let's see what else I can add. Maybe.
Oh, maybe tiny lamps or something.
Okay, we can add some lamps. Where's the lamps? Okay, there we go. You just passed it. This white lamp is gonna have to do because nothing else that does not fit. Okay, this way. Good idea.
Maybe we make that shelf lower.
Okay.
Perfect.
Okay, so let's check. Okay, so now we can probably like go through the walls. So these are, I think these are the only 4 that are like the cheapest or like the free ones. Okay, but if you guys want a stick house, I think it's best to use this one, cause this one is very cute in my opinion. Now for the walls, but if you're gonna choose a coloring from here, is fine. It's up to you. I would like to probably use this one,
Oh.
but I don't care since it's not mine. For the bathroom, I would like to use this one because I think it looks more natural. For the mom and dad's room, I think I would like pick the color I did earlier, like this one. I would pick this one for sure. And then for this one, I think I would pick the same. Wrong color. I will pick the same. And then for the kids, I think they wouldn't even care. Maybe these flowers. So if you guys liked it, make sure you like and subscribe. Thank you for watching and bye.